Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Vedanshi Mehta, student of grade 5. I, along with our class teacher, Mrs. Gandhi, welcome you all to our class assembly. We will present a skit on impact of social media on children. We have recorded today's program to avoid any technical glitches from hampering the smooth conduct of today's assembly. Now, I would request Mrs. Gandhi to begin the presentation.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. On behalf of Grade 5, I welcome you all for our class assembly. Is social media essential for our life, or is it threatening our life? This is the burning question all over. In the last few years, we have seen an explosion of social media and networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Especially, the children cherish for this new and high-tech way of remaining connected with friends and meeting new people. However, it is important for parents to keep themselves aware of the negative effects of social media and how to protect their children. So, we the students of grade 5 are here to present a skit based on the negative impact of social media on the social well-being of an individual. But before that, I request you all to join your hands for the prayer and close your eyes.
Well, guys, you signed in on time. I appreciate it. I am Facebook and I rule this virtual world. I am not alone. Meet my friends. Ha 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 ha.
Yes, I am WhatsApp. The whole world is in my hands. People of all age groups are addicted to me. There is no one in this world who doesn't like me.
I am Google. I am the god of the new generation. I am the supreme master of the web world. I have answers for everything. I rule this world. Ha 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 ha.
Hey friends, I am Instagram. This young generation is crazy about me.
I am Snapchat. Young boys and girls share their moments with me. Selfies, videos and whatnot. I know everything about them. Ha ha ha.
We will rule the whole world. One day, the real world will dance to our tunes. Ha 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 ha. We will our next victim is doing. Come on, friends, let's go.
Oh wow! 100 likes! Yay!
Priya, I don't understand. What do you do the whole day on your mobile? Chatting, and just chatting. Simply wasting time. You don't have any time for a family. This social media has completely possessed you.
Oh ma, you don't understand. I'm not wasting my time. I'm opening windows to the world. I can explore the whole world just sitting at one place. I have so many friends around the world. They like my posts and pictures, and that makes me feel happy.
So you're just concerned about your online friends? Do you even remember what is it today?
Priya, see, your friend has come.
Happy birthday, Auntie!
Thank you, Deshna. I am glad that you remembered my birthday.
Oh, Ma, it's your birthday! I just forgot. Let me take a selfie with you. I will post a loving birthday message on Facebook. I will get so many likes. Yay!
Hey Priya, why don't you join me? I'm going to the park.
Yes, Priya, you should go out and play with your friend.
No, Papa. My online buddies must be waiting for me. And I have to update my status and post my latest pics too. Ugh.
Okay, Auntie, I'm going. It seems that Priya's too busy. Okay, bye.
I am worried about Priya. She has become addicted to social media.
Don't worry, she is grown up. She can manage herself.
Facebook, Facebook, gotta check my Facebook, 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 what's going on? Facebook, Facebook, gotta check my Facebook, 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 all day long.
Again, chatting, Priya. One day it will be your undoing.
Just one moment, Ma. It's almost over.
Oh no! My life is ruined. My ID has been hacked and someone has sent wrong messages to my friends. Oh God! My friends will hate me. What will they think about me? Oh God, now what should I do? God, please help.
Don't swear by the name of God, my girl. For wherever I am, God can never be. Ha 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 ha!
Who are you?
Who am I is not important. What's important is that you become my next victim. The latest one. Ha 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 ha!
I beg you, don't ruin my life. It's my mistake. I will delete my account.
Your mistakes are my life. I always wait for mistakes. And when they happen, I make my move. And then slowly, very slowly, I beat you to death. Ha 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 ha! It's your destiny.
Leave me. Leave me. Go away from here. Go away from here.
Hello? Hello, doctor. Please come fast. There's an emergency. Okay. Doctor is coming in 5 minutes. Doctor, is my child fine?
Don't worry, she will be alright. The only problem is that she is overexposed to social networking.
So, what should we do, doctor?
Parental supervision is the most effective antivirus that can counter the menace that pops up to play havoc with the lives of our beloveds. Social media has become an inevitable part of our life, but we should not allow it to take over our life. Just give your time and support to her. She will be fine.
If they think they can stop me, how wrong they are. I won't even allow the mightiest of powers to stop me. Ha 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 ha. My next victim might be sitting somewhere amidst you. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Say
No to.
Virtual. Friends.
say
Yes, too.
real.
Friends.
This skit emphasizes the negative effects of social media on today's young generation. Social media has revolutionized how we communicate and connect as a global society. But it is important for us to be mindful about sharing information and protecting ourselves. I would like to conclude by saying, let's keep this social media the positive driving force that it was originally intended to be. Thank you.
I hope all of you enjoyed the skit. I am Divij Pant. It is my honor and privilege to present the word of thanks. My heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Nerurkar, our respected principal ma'am, for being a guiding light and constantly urging us to rise and shine. Thank you for the opportunities you give us. On behalf of all of us, I thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us today. I sincerely thank Mrs. Ramachandran for her constant support, patience, and motivation. It means a lot to us. Dear Savio sir, we are grateful to you for helping us with the music and the prayer song. Your music enlivened our performance. Our thanks to Mrs. Kukemane for her timely guidance and support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank you all for being a part of our class assembly. Your presence and support mean a lot to us. May I now request our respected principal ma'am to share her words of wisdom with us.
A very good morning to all the attendees, teachers and students alike. What a well put together assembly. I liked the theme. I liked how you all enacted it. I liked the organization, but most of all, I liked how to the point everything was. The prayer was nice. It was correct. Importantly, your pronunciation. I'm so happy to note that your pronunciation was so good. Other than one odd word here and there, I have no corrections to offer. Your skit was well thought of. It was succinct. You all showed such great poise. It was well put together. And your vote of thanks also was very, very apt. So, all in all, excellent performance. Let's give you a big hand. You and your teacher, your class teacher, whose effort must have been tremendous, and Sally sir also. Well done, children, and thank you so much. It was a most enjoyable assembly. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. It really motivates us.
Yeah, I'm happy to hear that. I'm so glad to see the children poised, confident. I love the makeup. I'm going to thank the parents later. I'm sure it's their doing. And for their kind backdrop of their home curtains, which made all the difference. Children, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, ma'am.